Got it here, next level folding fire pit. Did you see that? And then you have right here the grill. And there is a handles to add on more firewood or the charcoal. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is just flip it over and close it. And put this together. It comes with a folder. Get it here, tactical gear pen. Check this out. Press it like this. It will release the pen. And whenever you want to fold it, you press on this and pull the whole thing and it will reset it. How cool is that? So press it right here and it will go inside into the front. Boom. Pretty cool, isn't it? And again, to push it back and it locks back in. Got it here, vintage coin sorter. Then press this and set the vibration on, and then you can slowly feed the coins, and all your coins will go down and will separate where they're supposed to. That's where they separate, and that's right here overflow. I love it how it's vibrating and it's falling the coins, and all the coins sliding down and goes into right direction. There's a quarter went up. You see how quarter flies higher? And when you're done with it, really easy to fold it back up so it's portable. This is just one of a kind for sure. Look at that. I got right here, butter dispenser, probably one of a kind gadgets. Super cool. So you open it like this, you're gonna slide it in into here. Look at that, perfect fit. Boom, without contaminations. Beautiful. Then looks like we just need to roll this down. It was invented long time ago and they're still selling them. There's a lot of gadgets that is come and go. This gadget is definitely worth it. And just spread it down. My first hit. Oh. Once you split a little bit, then it's piece of cake. You can go as small as you want to. Hey, why not? Then you grab all this and take it out. Wow! Huh. Put a little bit of pellets in here. So I'm gonna tighten it up again. Warming it up probably will take a lot less time now. Probably good idea to keep spinning it, everything, all the popcorns inside of it, so that way they don't burn. Wow, that's so crazy. Look at that. All that popcorn. Okay, and we got a little bit of popcorn. You get your hot dogs and lay them out like this. Looks like it can hold 5 hot dogs. So the idea of it, whenever we need to flip them, all we have to do is just roll them instead of flipping them. You see how they're rolling? So let's just let it cook for a little bit and then we roll them and see what happens. When it's time to flip them, just roll them and boom, that's it. And you can put it in and lift the whole thing and take it out. Got it here, vintage double bead axe. Mechanical over here that pushes the log apart, and a regular axe on this section. Let's see how it does. Wow, and it's a long log. That's nice, look at it, there's a nut. Wow, look at that, kicked it out. Then I can use the axe section of it, lift it up. Look how long this is. Beautiful. Vintage pencil sharpener, check this out. You just rotate it and sharpen it. Once you got it good, it's sharpen it really nice and fast. Pretty funny. Here's one-handed egg cracker. In case one of your hands is disabled, this might help you. Check this out. I still see some of the eggshells, actually a lot of eggshells. That's pretty hilarious gadget. Let's try it a couple more times, see if it'll get better. Okay, I see only 1 or 2 pieces left in here. I guess it'd be easy to take it out. Yeah, underhand is the way to go. Got it here, little papas. Just break it open. Oops, one came off. No big deal. You kind of want to hold it in the palm after you open and shoot it this way. And the coolest part, after you shot it, it is mess free. You can roll it up together super fast and easy. Okay, one more different view. Maybe I should do it underhanded. Different shot. That is fun too. Wow. Flip it upside down and look at that flow. That is a really powerful flow. Let's see if it'll stop automatically. Pours really fast. Okay, you see, as soon as it gets to that line, it stops right where we need it. Vantage 24-pound splitting maul. This is probably the biggest splitting maul you'll find. Let's see how it splits. Whoa, that is awesome. It's just so much power. So it's probably the coolest lighter, much at the same time. I'll zip a lighter fluid and pour a bunch in. There you go. Takes a few tries, but it's pretty unique lighter. This gear side here, you see, will light the lighter up by just pulling on it. So that's how it works. Water coming out from the sides now. That's not what it's supposed to do. Whoops! That's definitely a fail. So we're just gonna unpeel this. Looks like it's quite sticky. Okay, there's a line in the middle of the toilet. I wonder if water going away. Not really yet. Okay, let's sense it, flushing it. Oh, I see. Wow! No way! And when we're done, let's just unstick everything. When you want to pour some cereal into the bowl, just open that and you see there's a hole and it's easy to pour. Does your cereal ever get stale? We gotta open that first with the lid. So you take this apart, you plug it in like this, just close it, stage this out and lock it. So and then you close this and now it's not going to fall out and make a mess.